Welcome back to the channel. Today, got a short video for you on the 2017 LX570. Today, I'm going to show you the very brief process of resetting your tire pressure system, TPMS system. If you have an error light or if you've corrected the tire pressures, but you're still seeing that error light, there's a simple way, it just takes a few seconds to reset the tire pressure monitor. Now, this process is the same on most Lexus and Toyota vehicles. Especially if you're on generally any year past 2008 for a LX570 or a Toyota Land Cruiser, but it's very similar across the board on the GX, the RX, and even the sedans. Let's go get inside the vehicle. I'll show you where the reset button is and what the procedure is. So if you're inside the driver's side area, I'm going to get a light and show you, but there's a reset button underneath there. Depending on the year and the exact model of your vehicle, the button might be in a slightly different spot. I'll show you where it is on this 2017 LX570, but on yours, maybe a little further over this way, a little further towards the front or the back. But in general, they're all going to be in that same vicinity. All right, let's go under here. And on this vehicle, it's right about here. On some years, it's further over that way. I'll show you where it is. On this truck, I'm just going slowly so I can show you where it is. You see that button right there? Right there? So that's the reset button. Don't go haphazardly just pushing it. I'll show you what the process looks like in just a second. Let me zoom out and I'll show you again where it is. So here we are. And if we go under this portion right here, we'll see the reset button right there. And I'll hold my finger here and zoom out again so you can see exactly where it is. Right there. Just barely to the right of your hood release and a little further in. So let me get out of here and stand up and I'll show you what the reset procedure looks like. So make sure to have your key with you, your key fob. Don't put your foot on the brake and hit the start button once and then twice. Once you hit that start button twice without your foot on the brakes, you should get all your lights come on as if the vehicle's systems are on, but the engine is not running. Now, what you do is take your hand, reach down underneath. Now that you know exactly where that button is, find it, and I'm going to tell you when I push it, but once you push it, you hold it down for a few seconds until you see the tire pressure symbol start flashing. So let's go ahead and do that. Ready? Here we go. You see that right there? So flash 3 times. Now I'm going to let go of the button. Now that you do that, your tire pressure monitor is reset. And what we're going to do is power the truck off by hitting the start button one more time. Then you're going to power it on with the brake pedal depressed so that it starts. Got to change the oil soon. All right, now we're here. I'm going to scroll over to the tire pressure screen, and as you can see, it is blank. There are no readings there. There are no error lights, and there are no readings. So now what you've got to do is go drive around for about 10 to 20 minutes. Just go on your normal drive, and as you do, the tire pressure sensors in each of the tires will talk back to the computer with the wireless signals they have, and eventually you'll get a reading. That's it. Pretty simple, right? Now that's the same across just about every Lexus in modern years, the last, 15, maybe 20 years, and also very similar in a lot of Toyota vehicles. I hope you found this video helpful. In the meantime, I love you guys. I will see you next time.